We are at the Marriott Century Center or Atlanta Northeast Marriott, and we are here for the first and annual Chef Academy Symposium. And I'd like to welcome Chef G
Yes,
from
sir.
Fulton. So tell us a bit about yourself and why you're here today.
All right, so my name is Chef Gina Williams. I am a culinary arts teacher at College and Career Academy for Fulton County. It's going to be my ninth year teaching. I do culinary arts, of course. I've done catering, but I've really put my skill set into teaching for these past 9 years. And we're here today to showcase our students what it means to be a professional chef. Now, we know that there are different careers in culinary arts, and I believe that today they'll understand that. And since they're not hearing it from me and hearing it from somebody else, I think they'll take it a little bit more seriously and kind of have a little bit of enlightenment on, hey, this is something that I can really do, and my chefs are leading me to the right way to those careers.
Yeah, there's something about someone else telling
Yeah,
what you already have told them.
exactly.
All of a sudden, it's like, oh, well, it's really true.
Right. And I feel like today I'm going to have so many kids say, Chef, you remember when you was teaching us this? They were saying that. And I'm like, yeah, you know.
Well, there's so many jobs that are needed in the culinary
Yes.
and hotel world, and this being the first one of its kind, just so excited that we're here at the
Right.
grassroots
Yeah.
of it with Discover DeKalb and then with Chef Byron and you all participating. So we were telling the kids in the opening, is their opportunity to either get a job or go to a second or
Right.
4-year degree.
Right.
So, and you're already starting that
Right.
wave for them.
Right. Yeah. With our program, it's all about understanding that this isn't home ec. Right. We are accredited, so our students, once they pass our class, they can actually go to any technological school and use that as credits. So I think with this opportunity that we have here today, and even with the many opportunities that Chef Byron has been bringing to all the culinary teachers around Georgia and around the world, it just gives us a better insight on, hey, we really, really care about where you guys want to go. These are the skill sets to do it. And once you hone those skills, whether it's honing your skills in knife skills, in speaking, in being a leader, in even taking a back seat and being a prep cook, these are the skill set or the soft skills to get you there. And for you to be better, of course, you have to practice.
True.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Practice, study. I mean, that's how the whole
Exactly.
world works. So
Exactly. Yeah.
you always have to be learning, always
All
improving
the
your
time.
skills.
I'm still learning. I tell my kids every day I don't know everything, and I would never play like I do. And they'll see me with the textbook, they'll see me with the cookbook. They're like, Chef, what are you doing? I said, I'm studying. I'm honing my knowledge. I'm trying to get better at what I love to do and bring forth different skill sets to you guys.
Well, it's Chef G. I appreciate you being our first on.
Yeah. Thank you.
So thank you so much for
Yes.
being out here and
Thank you.
participating and bringing kids.
Oh, appreciate it. Thank you so much.